This is according to the National Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index Baseline Report 2023. And Meghalaya has been listed with 27.79% rate of poverty. So, as of July 2024, the unemployment rate in Meghalaya was 6.0%, which is higher than the national average at 3.2%. I would also like to bring to the notice of this August House, sir, that according to the periodic labor force survey conducted by the National Sample Survey Office revealed that 85% of the unemployment are in the age of 15 to 30 years in Meghalaya. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, when I look at these figures, I am skeptical whether the government of the day will be able to live up to its commitment to transform Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy. I don't know from where the money will come. Can we continue to avail loans from various banks? The Comptroller and Auditor General had warned that the state's borrowing trend increased by over 63% in the past 5 years and could lead the state into a debt trap. The fact of the matter, sir, is that we are already in a debt trap. Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, let me also quote CAG report. Of the total debts, about 73% are internal in the form of market loans, ways and means advances from RBI, special securities issued to national small saving funds and loans from financial institutions. Another 23% is public account liabilities, and only 4% is loans from the central government. Sir, and the government of the day, as we know, is still availing loans after loans from various international banking institutions. I feel I have the right, and not only members belonging to the site, but the people needs to know how much of the loan had Meghalaya availed till this financial year 2024-25. How much of the loan is yet to be repaid by the government, and what kind of loan is being provided? How much of the financial support from those World Bank, Asian Development Banks, JICA and others are in the form of loans? Sir, I would like to remind this August House that Meghalaya is a non-revenue generating state. The Chief Minister himself has admitted in one of his meetings with the state tax officers that Meghalaya entirely depends heavily on central government revenue sources. Therefore, sir, my sincere question to the government is whether we are prepared to repay all these loans, and if we fail to do so, will the government of India bail us out, and are we prepared on those conditions to be laid by the government of India when the government of India decides to bail us out? Sir, I'm sure that all the